Hello madam, I'm Haripriya Maniam here. So now I'll be presenting the data analysis and findings which are focusing on the comparison between Indian English and Standard English. So for the analysis, I use a 1 minute NTTV news report which I transcribe the selected passage, then I analyze the pronunciation. So I mainly look at the word stress, vowel pronunciation, rhythm and intonation. So firstly, I will discuss the word stress. So in a standard English, word stress is usually strong because this means that one syllable in a word is clearly stressed while the other syllables are weaker or reduced. So but however in the Indian English, stress is a less strong because many words are pronounced with more even stress across the syllables. For example, the word monta in the passage in the Indian English is pronounced as monta, where the both syllables are given similar and said clearly. But in a standard English, the same word will be pronounced as monte, where the clear stress on the first syllable. So this shows that Indian English does not rely heavily on strong stress unlike the standard English. So moving on the next, which is the vowel pronunciation, which is a clear differences. In the standard English, weak syllables usually have weak vowel sounds, like many vowels are reduced to the schwa sound, which makes the speech faster. So, but in a Indian English, vowel reduction is usually avoided because even weak words are pronounced clearly. So, for example, words like to, the, from are pronounced with full vowels in Indian English. So, in a standard English, these words are usually pronounced in a weaker form. So, the same thing happens with longer words like already, operations. So in the Indian English, the vowels stay clear, but in a standard English, some vowels are reduced. So shows that Indian English keeps vowel sounds clear throughout the speech. And the next is rhythm. In a Indian English, Indian English follows a syllable time rhythm, meaning that each syllable is given approximately the same amount of time. So this creates a steady and even a pace of speech. So on the other hand, standard English is a stressed type where stressed syllables are longer and also unstressed syllables are shorter. And also in the NTTV recording, the sentence suggests the entire landfall will take place over a span about 2 to 3 hours. So this sentence are delivered with equal timing across syllables. So this makes the speech sound more calm and clear. So in a standard English, the same sounds will be spoken more quickly, even reduce the unstressed syllables. And moving to the next, which is the intonation, which means the how the voice goes up and down. So in a standard English, the pitch changes a lot because these changes help show that meaning. But in the Indian English, the pitch movement is much smaller. The intonation is flatter. So in the data analysis, the sentences are spoken in a calm and neutral tone because only a slight rise at the end of the sentence. So this style is very suitable for the news reading. And lastly, the pronunciation of the places. In the Indian English, the place names such as like Vishakhapatnam and also like Majulipatnam, Tamil Nadu or Andhra, all these names are pronounced fully and also clearly. Each syllable is spoken. And then also in the standard English, these long names are often shortened by reducing some vowel sounds because this shows that Indian English focus more on clarity and also the accurate pronunciation of local names or the place names. So the Indian English they more focus on clear pronunciation more than not unlike the standard English. So to in a conclusion, the data analysis shows that Indian English is different from standard English because but it's not a wrong, but it has its own clear and consistent pronunciation patterns. And also in the Indian English, it's easy for to understand what they are going to say, mainly in the news reading. So because it focuses on clear pronunciation, also steady speech. Yeah, and that's all from me. Thank you.